Polynesia. Polynesia is basically in the center of the Pacific Ocean. And it ranges from Hawaii, basically in the middle between Asia and Northern America, to the eastern islands, a bit more south, up to New Zealand and east of Australia. And there are over 10,000 islands, and there are hundreds of different languages and cultures, and with their own history, many of them. And these people moved there probably 40,000 years ago, started to come the first people from Southeast Asia onwards, and then they started to settle then on these islands, and then 2,000 years ago they started to go from Fiji and Samoa and Tonga, already east of New Zealand, out more eastward. And then 400 after Christ they got even more eastward to Hawaii and the eastern islands. And they did that in double canoes and in outriggers. Outriggers, these are boats with sticks to the outside and then another floating object on both sides, so that they have more stability and that they can be easier pulled on shore, and they are perfectly to drive them in shallow water. Now, and they developed art. They were doing on many different islands woodworks, but maybe the thing which I have the most to say about is that on the eastern islands the people they did the maoris, and these maoris, these are statues, 600 are there of them. Some are up to 12 meters high and weighing 90 tons. They are out of stone, done with stone tools because they had no metal, and they're just standing there around, and the platform on which they're standing is called a hus. And when they came over, they brought coconut seeds, and they brought taurus and gems and breadfruit, and also animals like pigs and chicken. And that is according to Miles Kell's World History, page 96 and 97.